Okay, super scientists, let's talk about food chains. All right, so we've been talking about the organisms in our ecosystem, and we've been talking about how energy flows in the ecosystem. And every living thing needs energy in order to live. Okay. Every living thing needs energy in order to live. How do we get that energy? Well, first off, we have our wonderful sunshine. And the sunshine helps give energy to our producers. So we have our sun, and that gives energy to our producers, which, remember, our producers are plants. I'm going to use my parentheses to add extra information. Our producers are plants. So anything like grass, flowers, algae, trees. Okay, so our producers get energy from the sun. Our consumers come next. They eat the producers, and that's where they get their energy. So we have our consumers next. And this, this is a primary consumer. Primary means first. So in our food chain, we can have several different consumers. Our primary consumer is going to be either an herbivore or an omnivore, because our herbivores and our omnivores eat herbs. They eat plants. Okay, so this might be, like a little rabbit is going to come and eat the grass. Or it could be like you having a salad for lunch. You eat the grass. Then comes, after our primary consumer, comes our secondary consumer. And this is going to be either a carnivore, like maybe a snake that will eat the rabbit, or another omnivore. I'll do a snake. Give him a tongue. Okay. And then, after that, comes our decomposer. And this could be like bacteria or fungus, worms. Those are all our decomposers that eat dead things. I'm going to draw a little worm down here. We'll draw a little mushroom too. How about? Or a fungus. Okay. Okay, then the last thing that I'm going to add on to this is we might see, tomorrow we're going to see food webs, web like a spider web. And all a food web is a network. I'll do this so we can see better. A network of food chains that show how energy is passed from one living organism to another. Okay, thanks for learning with me, guys. I will see you next time. Great job.